This storm right now is expecting a fair amount of snow. We'll probably know more tomorrow morning exactly how bad it's going to impact our territory. Depending on where you are in the state of Maryland is a big variance. You could get anything from the light rain to heavy snow, the heavy type of snow, not the fluffy stuff, to icy conditions. The icy and the heavy snow definitely causes problems on our electrical system. So that could be more where we see more of the outages. So we've got plans in place with that. We constantly are watching the weather forecast. We have our own weather services that we monitor, and they provide us information continuously, and we'll adjust from them. We've got 3 staging areas set up where we think we have strategically placed to get the outages back. All right, so we just got done a safety briefing with some outside crews. One of the most important things we emphasize with them is their safety is extremely important while they're here. The procedures that they need to follow are extremely important. If they have any questions, they need to stop and ask the question right away. They need to follow what the BGE rep is with them on the outside is asking them or instructing them to do. And if there's any questions about that or deviating from that procedure that they're supposed to follow, they need to stop and go back to the crew leader and make sure that there's no issues with that.
Delta Utility, we do a wide variety of work. We're a substation contractor, an underground lines contractor, and we serve BGE doing a lot of different other tasks on the system. Well, providing mutual assistance is very helpful. When the storm hits and the damage is catastrophic, it's very important to have a lot of support. Restoration time is a little quicker, a little faster. Of course, we keep in mind about safety and really taking our time and doing the job right. And more people, the better.
Safety at BGE is really important because safety is a value that every employee here has, from the CEO all the way down to the very frontline employee. It's a value that's uncompromisable. So our crews work with these mutual assistance employees right from the very beginning when they come here to emphasize safety, from the safe form to all the procedures we have in place to the personal protective equipment they use. Everything on the trucks is the best equipment that we can give them. And then when they come in, we make sure they're well fed, restocked with water and everything else they might need to get over to the hotel rooms and get some rest and ready for the next day.